Hi guys, I'm doing a review on Sweetiesong. This is a pocket fetal Doppler. Here's the user manual. Tells you how to use it. It takes 2 AA batteries, which are included right there. And here's the little wand thing that you put over your belly so you can hear the baby's heartbeat. This is what it looks like. And it has the volume control. And just turn it on here. And there it goes. And you move this stick here over the belly. Well, that was my heartbeat. I was just trying it out. But that is how it sounds. You also have this cream here to put over your belly, so that way this slides around on your belly much easier. So if you guys want to order one of these, the link is down below. Thank you so much to the company for sending me this to review. I really like the big screen there. That is just so neat. But anyway, yeah, it's really easy to use. Run this over your belly to hear the baby's heartbeat. Alright guys, thanks for watching.